so I completely forgot to record while we were in the bead shop. But I just want to tell you about it quickly, and Babe wants to talk as well. But the bead shop was phenomenal, you guys. They had so many great things in there. And if you guys don't know, we're thinking about starting a bead line.
And I wait to get some beads.
That's right, on your cakes. However, I was telling Babe I wanted to make sure we could go to a place that had an ample amount of supplies, and things of that nature. So,
well, it may have to go the online route, because we want to make sure that our the bracelet line, we're still playing around with some names, but we want to make sure that it's affordable. You know, like super cheap. You know. But not that much to put together, and
that's right,
all that stuff. So
yeah. All right, you guys. So we're about to head to our next stop, which is Sam Moon.
We're going to Sam Moon.
So you guys will see that in a moment.
Good shop. I love picking blackberries.
I love picking leaves here too.
We've made it in Sam Moon, you guys. Look at Libby, always making friends.
Come here, sweetie. I got some electronics here. The Bluetooth speakers. Now, this is going to be on the lower end as far as quality is concerned, but you know, they still got some nice stuff. You know, at least for just basic needs. I wouldn't host no party with one of their speakers. Might be sounding like you in a bathroom or something.
You guys know we like this section. This is the travel section right here. I'm literally gonna look for some things in this area, and they have a lot of luggage. As you can see, they have jewelry for days.
Where's my friend, Mom?
I don't know. I think she might have left, baby.
She did not left. Where is she, Mom? I think we're looking for...
And there are all type of clothes. Hats over there in the far left corner. More bags. You guys, look at all these accessories for hair.
Alright guys, so we are done with our Sam Moon shopping, and we got just a few things. I needed an auxiliary cable, so they had it for $3.99. I like it because it's retractable. Because the one currently in the car, it just be hanging, and it's just not cute. But this is retractable, so this looks good. We got a dash cam, car mount, so we can, like, you know, vlog, of course, without holding the baby up in front of us. And then lastly, I think you got some razors for your shaving and stuff.
For my eyebrows.
For your eyebrows. I didn't want to put your business out. I didn't know what you were shaving with it, but eyebrow razors.
Ma'am, you want anything before your cheese go on?
No meat or anything.
Anything before your cheese goes on over here?
Spinach.
Say it again. Yes, please.
Liberty, what are you doing on mommy's back? I can't hear you.
I'm looking at the pizza cut.
Okay.
Look, that's the two.
I see. That's good. This is about our third or fourth time
Yes,
here.
sir. Is this a diced up tomato? I'll have some of those. Yes, sir.
This is like our third or fourth time here.
It is. We love it. We at My Pizza. We're at My Pizza. I don't know what Liberty's doing. I think she's trying to get some more. Y'all, we're at Mod Pizza, and this is right before church. We get same thing, veggie pizza with all type of vegetables on it. As you can see, it's so good. As Babe says, it's so clutch. We didn't want to eat Chipotle, so we were like, you know what? Let's go to Mod Pizza. It's nearby the church.
This kind of turning into the new Chipotle for us.
It really is. Chipotle used to kind of be our little go-to because it's inexpensive and it's right by the church, but we get the same effect here, okay? So it's about to go down.
Look at mine. Ooh, I look good.
Full access to who he is here and now. And that means his peace. And that means his freedom. And that means his life. Sometimes I think we can think, peace is just a nice idea. The fact is, Jesus makes it clear that in this world we'll face trouble. But he goes on and says, but take heart, for I have overcome the world. And I believe that peace isn't just something that we think about in part until someday when we are face to face with the Prince of Peace himself, but I believe that God gives us the fullness of his peace here and now if we're willing to accept it. I know sometimes, you can think